Hey guys, Eddie from the 11 World here. Today I want to review this thing next. Do you shoot video on your phone or pictures or whatever? This thing can come in handy. Let's say you're a DJ like me and you want to shoot yourself. You don't have a nice camera, but you got your phone shoots 4K even, so whatever, why not? This thing can come in handy and be really helpful. So, okay, so it's a flexible tripod self-shoot set, and it comes with a few things. And I've looked at a whole bunch on Amazon. This is good for a whole bunch of reasons. First, you know, let me take this stuff out first. So it comes with this nice little carrying bag and you know, nice strap. You got your GoPro style accessory thing for locking this, which actually hooks up to here. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, and it comes with this nice like little mini tripod, the flexible thing, so you can twist in whatever. I'm not sure how good it is. Generally these things are garbage. If they're anything, probably under 20 bucks, I would say. I think maybe above that they'll start to be somewhat good. This here seems to be okay. So let me loosen this. The ball is sort of stiff, and I've already loosened this to pretty much all the way. So you know what? The stiffer the better. The more that this is not moving, the better for me. I like that more. So nice rubber feet here, good feel. This thing kind of sticks to whatever surface you have it in, and yeah. So what else? And you got this thing here, the actual piece that you can hook up your phone to. So you know what? Let me mount it before I put my phone. And you got a nice shutter, Bluetooth shutter button thing for video and photo, actually, I think, right? Battery, beautiful, nice to have. Oh, and an extra battery. So you pull this thing and then you can use this. So camera 360, iOS, and Android. Why is Android the smaller button? This is stupid. I don't, you know what? No, but seriously. So it has an on and off button, which is nice, and a little light here. Android button should have been bigger. What the hell is wrong with you people? Anyways. You screwed this to your tripod. I'm pissed off now. What the hell, man? Smaller button. This is garbage. No, I'm not saying that. Okay, so here's my HTC 10 hooked up to this. Done. Okay, yeah, you obviously have to make it, you know, sit the way you like. And yeah, I'm not saying this is the best one in the market, but this is one of the top ones. Okay, the reason is, you know what, I like this mini tripod. It's actually pretty nice. It's not bad. So it holds your phone well. You can see it's not slipping. Oh, I'm scared there. Yeah, that's where the ball, because I didn't tighten this very hard. Yeah, so, oh, it's nice. Actually, this thing has another, what do you call it? So you can actually mount it the other way too. So let me see. So for example, I can mount it here, this way. Boom. That's nice. So let's say you're, I don't know, maybe onto a tree and you want to shoot something like that. Even, you know what, self shot. So like, you know, selfie cam. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? So this is the reason why I say this is one of the best online, is because it comes with so many things. Like, look at this. This is nice to have. You know, you can hook this to your GoPro if you, I mean, I have a GoPro, so I can always use this. And if you don't want it, you know, it's just an extra. Nice to have. And a shutter button. Look at this. Very nice. Oh, and actually you can, you know, it has this thing so you can hook it up to your, for example, keys or whatever, keychain. Great. I think it actually looks, it feels solid. You know what, actually all this stuff feels like a solid build. So you know what, you can actually make a loop out of this. And, you know, let's see. Boom. Now this thing is sitting whatever in your bag or something, and you can resize this so all of a sudden it's in your hand, and boom. Yeah, and you know what? Like I said, all this stuff actually feels good quality, like high quality. And you know, now you don't, boom, take a picture, boom, take a picture, boom, take a picture. Done. Extra battery. I don't know what else you want. So let me just go through this. Universal phone holder, adapter for GoPro, the universal quarter screw mount. Okay, so yeah, like I was right in the beginning. 360 rotatable ball joints, flexible legs, rubber feet. Yep. Yeah, you know what, good stuff. And yeah, you can actually open this. So Bluetooth remote control, and it's compatible with iOS 5 and Android 4.2.2 or over. Bluetooth version 3, lifespan can shoot up to 10 million times. So what, they've tested it 10 million times? That would take a long time. Effective distance, okay, so 30 feet. I don't know if you're going to need anything more than that. Wrist strap, yeah, so that was for the wrist strap, I guess. And yeah, 6 months extended warranty. So great stuff. Honestly, like I said, the only thing I could see having a problem is actually this. And you know what? This is for people who have big phones. So right now this is a 5.2 inch. I can't remember, but it extends just a little bit more. You know what? Let me. So right now it's like this thing is tight too. So if I open it, I can kind of slide my finger, and it's now pinching me kind of hard. So it would fit probably the biggest phone out in the market right now, and this is like 2018. But if you have a thick case that can, you know what, let me try it. So this is part of my case. The other part broke, and I just too lazy to buy one. Yeah, so we put it on this part first and then slide this thing. Actually, yeah, so it fit my phone with the case, and this is still good. Okay, so, but yeah, it's one of those things that you should be wary. Just if you're buying one of those things, just make sure that the specs are good. And max load is 500 grams, weight 200 grams. Total height is 175 millimeters. And yeah, so this is it. I don't think I can talk more about this video or this product. UBRU is the company. Comes in this nice little bag, like I said in the beginning. Let me know if you have any comments, anything about this, and I'll try to answer whatever I can. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.